Rule 130, Section 3. Original document must be produced. Exceptions. When the subject of inquiry is the contents of a document, writing, recording, photograph, or other records, no evidence is admissible other than the original document itself, except in the following cases. A. When the original is lost or destroyed or cannot be produced in court without bad faith on the part of the offeror. B. When the original is in the custody or under control of the person against whom the evidence is offered, and the latter fails to produce it after reasonable notice, or the original cannot be obtained by local judicial processes or procedures. C. When the original consists of numerous accounts or other documents which cannot be examined in court without great loss of time, and the facts sought to be established from them is only the general result of the whole. D. When the original is a public record in the custody of a public officer or is recorded in a public office. And E. When the original is not closely related to a controlling issue. Section 10. Evidence of written agreement. When the term of an agreement have been reduced to writing, it is considered as to contain all the terms agreed upon and there can be, as between the parties and their successors in interest. No evidence of such terms other than the contents of the written agreement. However, a party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to the terms of the written agreement if he or she puts in notice in a verified pleading. A. An intrinsic ambiguity, mistake, or imperfection in the written agreement. B. The failure of the written agreement to express the true intent and agreement of the parties thereto. C. The validity of the written agreement. Or D. The existence of other terms agreed to by the parties or their successors in interest after the execution of the written agreement. The term agreement includes wills,